Jason, I just received an email saying I won a trip to Paris. Can you believe it?
Really? Let me see that email. Mom, this is a scam.
Oh no! How could they do this to me?
Don't worry, Mom. I'll teach you how to avoid these scams in the future.
Really? That would be great.
Alright, let's get started. Always be wary of emails that ask for personal information.
Got it.
Be suspicious of emails from unfamiliar senders.
I'll keep an eye out for that.
Never click on links from unknown sources.
I won't do that again.
Always hover over links before clicking on them.
I never knew that.
Check the URL of a website before entering any personal information.
I'll do that from now on.
Be cautious of phone calls from unfamiliar numbers.
I'll be careful.
Never send money to someone you don't know.
But what if they really do have a good reason?
Trust me, Mom, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Keep your antivirus software updated.
I'll do that right now.
Be wary of pop-up ads that ask for your personal information.
I won't fall for that again.
And finally, if in doubt, always check with someone you trust.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you, Jason. You're such a good son.
No problem, Mom. Just doing my part to keep you safe from those scammers.